In contrast, battery life refers to how many hours or days your phone will last on a single charger. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your battery's lifespan and some of the settings to upgrade, things to avoid, so that your phone will last forever and regain back its strength. So without wasting my time, let's dive into the video. Number 1, dim the screen or turn down the brightness. This can be done automatically so that whenever you move or arrive in an environment, your brightness will adjust to the environment around you. If you are in the darkness, the brightness will reduce. If you are where there is a lot of sunshine, then the brightness will increase itself. So if you don't want to set it automatically, you can also off it and adjust it yourself by increasing or reducing it. Turn down the brightness of any screen you are onto at least half to help preserve battery life. This can usually be found in the option or settings area. On an Android device, swipe down twice for the top of your screen. Swipe down twice from the top of your screen. You will see a sun icon. I repeat, you will see a sun icon at the bottom, likely to the left of a thin bar. So if you see, that's where you can adjust it yourself by increasing or reducing, or you can also set it automatically, and with that it will adjust and also reduce the drainage of your battery. Option 2, avoid draining your phone battery all the way to 0% or charging it all the way to 100%. With that, it weakens your phone battery. So keep it between 20% to 80 to 90%. I repeat, keep your battery's percentage from 20% or between 20% to 80 to 90%, and with that it strengthens and bring back the life your battery needs. Option 3, avoid partial charging. What do I mean? Avoid partial charging in the sense that whenever the phone is on charge, you won't allow it to be fully charged. You will remove it, use it, fix it back, remove it, use it, and fix it back. With that, it drains down the power of the battery. And bonus options under avoiding partial charging: avoid using phone while charging. As I said, avoid fast chargers too. Using fast chargers can damage your phone's battery's strength, so avoid using fast chargers. Extreme heating. Option 4, avoid extreme heating. Some of us are YouTubers, Facebookers, and what have you. Sometimes when you go out there to shoot videos, you don't cover it and it is exposed to the sunlight. So through that, it becomes hot, and that also drains the battery's strength. So avoid extreme heating, not even under the sun alone. Sometimes when the room is too hot, you realize your phone also start becoming hot. With that, it also drains the battery's strength. So avoid extreme heating or cold. Avoid situation where your phone can overheat, especially when your battery is fully charged. Your battery drains much faster when it's hot, even when not in use. This kind of drain can damage your battery. You don't need to teach your phone the battery's capacity by going from full charge to zero or from zero to full charge. All we mean is to keep your battery in tip-top shape. For longer. You should avoid exposing it to extreme heat or cold. And these are the best 5 tips. If you follow them, your battery percentage or your battery strength will be regained, and it will start lasting compared to previous experiences. And this is a bonus tip: don't close your apps. Hit on the recent key. Don't close your apps. Hit on the recent key so that you can quickly use or re-enter into the apps previously used. Don't close your apps and manage them instead. And also delete unused apps. We have some applications that, though we don't use them, but they work in the background, okay, by using some of the battery strengths and some of our data. If you know these apps are there and you are not using it, why are you still keeping them? You have to delete all these applications because they are part of the reasons why your phone or battery is draining. So just delete them and do away with them. This is a short tip on how to regain the battery's strength. So how was the video? You can leave a comment in the comment section down below. How many percent does your phone last? How many hours can your phone last in a day? Can it reach a full 24 hours? Or how many hours? Which phone are you using? Whatever it is, let us know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. I got a lot of videos. In some previous videos like this, as I taught how to create a PayPal account, you can watch it if you want to. And like this, as I taught you how to create or become a Jumia affiliate marketer. Very easy, 2 videos. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I got you a lot of videos. Okay, after this, the next video, I will teach you how to get more bundles for internet. Free bundle for internet. Don't forget to subscribe. After subscribing, hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload that new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So until then, see you in the next video. Salam.